Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. I'm going to be unboxing the Google Local Guide free socks. So it comes in this packaging. It's like the starting that you get when you contribute and stuff. So let's go ahead and open it. It said it comes in 6 weeks, but it actually came in like 2-3 days. So yeah, thank you Google. So the way you get this is by just contributing constantly. There's more other rewards as well, like a trip to San Francisco it was, but I had to miss out on that because I had my university at the time. So yeah, I could have gone San Francisco for free on Google's with about another 30 people from the UK. But yeah, so it's worth doing the reviews and stuff. That's sticky. I've got one hand and no tripod. The tripod is still in the garage, fucking hell, because I'm doing a lot of car videos. There you go, look at that, man. Now let me pull that out. Wow, I'm not sure what this is. There you go, local guides. A gift for your next adventure. Here's a token of thanks for helping millions of people explore the world on Google Maps. Show off your local guides pride everywhere else you go. Thank you for that, Google. Thank you. Nothing else in there. Okay, so let's have a look at the socks. So these are the socks that you get. It's free socks in it, you can't complain. Free is free. Okay, safety first. It's one size to fit all, apparently. Oh, they would do that, wouldn't they? Dirty bastards. 69% cotton. Not 70, 69%. 29% polyamide. I don't know what that is. 2% elastane. So elastic, whatever. Which is probably here. Let me go ahead and open this somehow. Where the hell is the thing? There it is, I think. It's very hard with one hand. There you go. Oh, it's very easy packaging, which I like. Bam! Bam! Look at these sexy socks, man. Fucking hell. Damn. Damn. So that's meant to be like a... That's the sky, as you can see. It's a pretty cool design, I'm not gonna lie. But where the fuck would I wear these? People gonna see this like, what the hell? Yeah, look at that. So you got the Google pin thing. These are like a beach and stuff. Don't know what that is. That's a boat. That's a fish. And that says local guides, I think. Yeah, local guides. I'll show you an on-foot review, but yeah, it's exactly the same on the other one. But yeah, it's nice of them to give you something though. I would rather go back on holiday to somewhere, but maybe that was around summertime last time, so hopefully they give you again. I will take it up this time because I've got nothing to do. I'm literally doing fuck all, so I might as well go. So yeah, I finished my university, so I can chill now. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will show you other items if I ever get any, and if I do end up going on holiday provided by them, then I'll probably do a vlog or something.